Attention contractors, builders, DIY enthusiasts, and homeowners. At Top of the Trades, we're your one-stop shop for doors, moldings, and more. We know that many projects require custom-sized doors, especially for unique openings or outswing doors that just aren't available at big box stores. That's where we come in. We offer custom-sized door units built to your exact specifications, giving you the perfect fit every time. Want a professional finish? Pre-painting is available to save you time and hassle, but it's always optional if you prefer to paint them yourself. And don't forget, we also carry a full range of moldings, from crown molding to baseboards and more, with styles and materials to complement any home or project. Need a hand? We can connect you with trusted contractors to help with installation. Plus, you can have your products delivered directly to your job site or pick them up from our Upland location. With over 39 years of experience, we're proud to offer fast, friendly service that keeps your projects on track and under budget. Visit topofthetrades.com or call us at 1-800-868-6130 today to get started.